2019 Lincoln Nautilus receives an exterior that closely resembles Big Brother's Aviator and Navigator. Replacing the 3.7-liter V6, the new base engine is a 2.0-liter turbo 4-good for up to 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. The previous 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 remains in the lineup, making the same 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. In either case, power is routed through an 8-speed automatic instead of the old 6-speed. We recently drove the Nautilus with the more powerful engine, an upgrade costing $2,070. In our instrumented tests, it hit 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds flat, making it a hair quicker than an old MKX we tested with the same engine at 6.2 seconds. It's also quicker than a comparable Cadillac XT5, which took 6.5 seconds to reach the mark. The sales king of luxury SUVs, the Lexus RX, required 6.8 seconds in F-Sport guise. Although we enjoyed the Nautilus' ample power available through the mid-range, the transmission lags at low speeds. This results in some clunky parking maneuvers. We also experienced abruptness after hitting the accelerator when getting up to speed quickly. Now on to our favorite part of the Nautilus, the interior. Because our tester was a black label, we benefited from a particularly plush cabin with comfortable heated leather seats, a 19-speaker sound system, ambient lighting, a panoramic roof, an Alcantara headliner, a hands-free liftgate, and wireless charging. Our tester came with the Gala design theme, bringing a maroon color into the cabin. Our model had the optional 22-way power driver seat and a variety of other safety and convenience features, including parking sensors, lane keeping, active cruise control with traffic jam assist, and adaptive steering. All in all, our model rang out to $67,630.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.